Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everybody, Olivia here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is, what are the negative verbs in Cantonese? In Cantonese, there are two main ways to negate a verb. Using one negating word over the other can change nuances greatly. Let's see how. First, what is the difference between the present tense and the past tense when you're negating? Put in a simple way, we use to negate action verbs in the present or future, or when speaking about habitual actions. We use 冇 when the action either did not happen, so past tense, or isn't complete yet. For example, 我唔食, I don't eat. 我冇食, I didn't eat. 我唔食, I don't eat. 我冇食, I didn't eat. What's the sentence pattern when negating in the past tense? For example, 點解唔接我電話? 點解唔接我電話? Which, based on the context, we translated as, why didn't you answer my call? It's actually more close to, why aren't you answering my call? The pattern, plus verb, is negating something in a present tense, or is describing a negative action as a habit or a phenomenon, or that a certain action is against someone's will so they won't do it. While 冇 plus verb is negating something in the past tense that something wasn't done. Plus verb, do not do. 冇 plus verb, did not do or have not done. Here are some sample sentences. Means do not. 我唔去公園. I don't go to the park. 冇 means did not or have not. 我冇去公園. I didn't go to the park. How was it? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. See you next time. 下次見.